excited about a field trip where we're going to go. Can you tell me something about it? Yes, sure. My dear friends, we all are blessed with ample resources. As an Indian, we all know that rice is a staple food for us. Besides it, we also consume other grains, pulses and vegetables. On this note here, we the students of Vaidhi School have gathered here to thank the farmers without whom we will starve. They have done a lot of hard working to feed us a healthy meal. Do you want to know how they grow this treasure of grain and pulses? World has turned in circles, the season comes and goes. The harvest is all gathered in and chilies white in blow. So open wide on your ring, Thanksgiving is on the way. The world has turned in circles, the season comes and goes. The harvest is all gathered in and chilies white in blow. The harvest is all gathered in and chilies white in blow. The harvest is all gathered in and chilies white in blow.
Capturing everything in camera about our visit to the farm, interacting directly with the farmers has left us brimming with excitement. Going to the farm was not just spending a day away from the school, but also to have some practical experience of what we learned in the books. On the way, we saw many other farms which had mouth-watering sugar canes. When we reached our destination, we were prepared to take the notes on the questions we asked the farmers. When we asked them about the field, he replied about the importance of rice in our daily menu and explained about the paddy field.
Working in the field is hard work. They put in a lot of effort to ensure that we have a good crop, like watering them, spraying them with required chemicals. And when we asked them if the crop is grown fully, they told not yet, as the crops were only 1.5 feet high. And told us that there are about 3 to 4 kinds of rice and drop it from a height to get the good seeds fall down straight and the waste things flow aside to see if it is a good rice crop. It becomes ready for harvesting approximately after 6 months. We also wanted to know about the harvest festivals they celebrate. They told us that they celebrate the harvest festival Makar Sankranti, when they wash cows, do puja and enjoy. Also that Pongal is nothing but Makar Sankranti.
In India, rice grew under widely varying conditions of climate and altitude. Therefore, the rice growing season varies in different parts of the country.
Eminent harvest festival, that is Makar Sankranti. The significance of harvest festival is to harvest and venture across and to celebrate the prosperity and joy in the unique way. It is Thanksgiving Day, and let us thank the God for everything that He has blessed us with. As harvest festival would remain incomplete without farmers, as 70% of farming depends on farmers. Now let's get the information from the farmers. Wow, I see What are the dishes you prepare on the birthday? What are the ingredients? Namaste. Can I know the ingredients?
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭೂಮಿಕಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಇದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹಬ್ಬನ. ತುಂಬ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಾಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಹತ್ರ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಬ್ಬಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ಈ ಹಬ್ಬ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಪೊಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಪೂಜೆಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದು ಪೊಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕೆಲವರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಳೆಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಯಿಸಿ ಗೆಡ್ಡೆಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಯಿಸಿ ಈ ಪೊಂಗಲ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Here we have Sumitra ma'am who is going to translate for us the local language.
Hello, I am Sumitra from Vaidiki School of Excellence. As Bhumika told, this is a festival of harvesting, and on this occasion, they take part, wear nice dresses, and sugarcane is the main thing, and they take lessons from the elders, and these are things happening. Namaste. Vanakkam. How do you celebrate?
Saturday ಇದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒರೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೊಂಗಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ We had a great fun interacting with these lovely people today. We got to know about their harvest festival, what dishes are prepared, and what is so significant about it. Thank you.
And wish you all happy Sankranti.